madness.
Hello and welcome to a new tutorial from Tuhin's editing. Today I'm going to show you how you can export a PSD file from Adobe Illustrator. So here you can see a logo file is here already. We have some layers on it, different layers. We have a rasterized image on the logo. Also there are some paths. So we are going to export the whole AI file into a PSD file and open it in Photoshop with layers. So to do that, we're going to export as, and then you can see different option. Select the Photoshop PSD file and export it. There are different option: RGB, CMYK, and grayscale, and different DPI option. So I'm going with the default one. So the Photoshop file is saved. This is the Photoshop file, and let's open it in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, the layers are already available, and also the paths are converted into default layers. So you can select anything and move it. So this is how you can easily change your Adobe Illustrator file into Adobe Photoshop PSD file. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.